Welcome to a new episode, and today we have another renovated REO opportunity. Right now, we are in the lobby of 125 Beach 124th Street. Wait, but hold on, that's not how we do it. Let's go check out the neighborhood first. Getting around New York City doesn't just have to be a train or a taxi. Right here, you have yourself the New York City ferry service. And if you're not a fan of the sea, well, there's always the train. And right near this property is the Beach 116 station. Getting around the Rockaways has also been upgraded. You'll find select bus service at many locations. And if you need to step out for a quick bite or just a quick stop to get something, make sure to head over to Beach 129th Street. You'll find everything you need right there. Well, the beach is real nice, and right here is the apartment that I'm going to show you. As a matter of fact, it's right there. This building has a laundry room, and with 6 dryers and 5 washers, getting it clean is simply a breeze. Here's another bonus. This building has a storage room, and for a nominal fee, you've got a place to put your bikes and all your other seasonal gear. Going up. So this unit, as I said, was renovated. I could get you some before pictures. And now, let's see how it is after. Welcome to Unit 2E. What I really like about this unit is the balcony. Just check out the view. The balcony also has direct access from one of the bedrooms. The master bedroom is also a very generous size with a beach view and a walk-in closet. Wow, check out this bathroom. So thanks for taking a tour of this great REO opportunity. Remember, give us a call for your own appointment and be sure to subscribe. I'll be seeing you back in the neighborhood.